Cranes swing, beams rise, and platforms carry workers across the stadium. The hum of machinery and the clatter of bolts tell the story of Camp Nou transforming piece by piece. From new escalators to glass frames and rising llamas, every detail counts. Step inside the action and see how this historic stadium is taking shape, one section at a time. We begin near the main circulation routes, where the escalator zones are moving forward section by section. Workers are fitting the new escalators into place with steady precision. Each metal panel, each support beam, and each joint is aligned carefully. It's slow work, but essential for the future flow of the fans. Some sections of the stadium have already received their llamas, giving the exterior a sleek and modern look. These horizontal blades create clean lines and subtle shadow effects that change with sunlight. Meanwhile, in other areas, vertical support rails are being installed to hold llamas that will be attached next. Workers carefully align each support to ensure everything fits perfectly. When all llamas are in place, the facade will be even across the stadium's curved surfaces, showcasing the precision behind Camp Nou's striking new design. At the North Goal area, fresh activity continues. Crews are reinforcing the structure around the stands, and new beams are being locked into place. This section connects several key circulation points, so stability and alignment are crucial. Now, stepping into the corner zones, the pace becomes even more intense. Three-stage pillar construction is underway. The bottom sections are complete, and most of the current focus is on the middle layers. Formwork panels are being set, so concrete can be poured with perfect shape and thickness. These pillars will support some of the heaviest loads in the stadium. Moving outside, the parking zones are also progressing. The ground is being leveled, new pathways are being graded, and materials for future surfacing are stacked nearby. Drainage systems and access routes are under preparation. Even though this part doesn't look dramatic yet, it forms the foundation for a smooth arrival experience for thousands of fans. Moving upward, the third tier and upper roof structure show major progress. Formwork removal has revealed solid new concrete surfaces. Steel beams for the roof are being aligned and secured. Some early sections of the roof frame are already visible, forming the skeleton of what will eventually be one of the most iconic roofs in European football. The upper works are complex, involving cranes, safety teams, and coordination across multiple floors. At the Tribuna area, crews are making steady progress. New escalators are being fitted, and platforms move constantly to help workers reach different heights. Metal reinforcements and support bars are being installed, and protective coatings on bolts are applied for durability. The area is busy but organized, showing clear progress every day. As we walk through the site, the atmosphere is intense but organized. Cranes swing overhead. Workers adjust cables, tighten bolts, and position materials. Trucks move in and out non-stop. Camp Nou is not just being renovated, it's being reborn. And step by step, the transformation becomes clearer. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed the walkthrough and want to see more progress at Camp Nou, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.